Welcome to the Bourbon Explorer, where we do reviews and blind comparisons. Take a minute and subscribe if you want to get all the updates. We get straight to the facts here. All right, guys, we got some heavy hitters for you today. This is going to be a good one. These have been chilling out, getting some air. So what do we got? We have got Taylor, Colonel Taylor, and Knob Creek 12 year. So these are just two classics. Well, this is more of a classic, but this one, aged 12 years. This is a small batch, bottled and bond. This is 100 proof on the Taylor, and this one was also 100 proof. This Taylor bottle is a little bit more expensive because it's more allocated, although this one you can hardly find as well. But I paid $69 for this, and I paid $59 for the Taylor. But, you know, seeing the market and how it is, it's definitely going to be harder to find the Taylor, and they're going to be a little bit more expensive, I think. But nonetheless, I think they're about the same price range. But this, you know, this one should have an advantage, I think. I mean, it's been aging 12 years. So we're going to see. We're going to see which one wins. We're going to smell them both, see which one has the smell flavor, and just taste these, get into it, and see which one is going to be better. All right, so we got these mixed up. So I don't know which one's which. Let's just go in after the smell. Oh, that just smells so good. Maraschino cherries. Just, I love it. That is caramel, sugary, sweet. Wonderful smell. Wonderful smell. All right, give my nose hairs a break. Let's go after this one. Okay, it smells great. It's not as deep as this one, but you have the caramel flavor and maybe some fruits, maybe kind of a darker fruit, toffee type flavor, maybe a butterscotch. Yeah. Okay, so they both smell wonderful, but this one, in my opinion, is way better. So, there you go. All right, let me take a quick drink. So, Taylor and Knob 12. Which one is better? Now, I will say that the retail price on this is about $45, where the retail price on this is more like $65. So I think Knob has a little bit of an advantage there. Now, secondary price, this is way more. I see this constantly in stores for $100. I don't know why. It's a fad, and, you know, just make sure whenever you go looking and searching for bourbons, don't get all caught up in the hype and the hubbub and everything like that. You know, taste some of these other ones, because I know that there are better bourbons all over. So don't get caught up in all that. All right, let's taste this. Wow. Yeah, that is really good. Deep fruits. You get that dark, chocolatey, just, oh, it's really good. Well-rounded. Very, very well-rounded. So smooth. It is so smooth. Yeah, this thing has got a lot to live up to, because this thing smells great and it tastes just as good as it smells. No burn, very smooth. Yeah, just an amazing, well-rounded flavor. Dark fruits, chocolate, sweet, caramel. I mean, that's just really, really outstanding. All right, let me get a drink, and let's go to the second one. Face Off. Let's see what this one tastes like. Okay. It's a stronger type flavor, still very good. I feel it and taste it more. Well, I don't want to say taste it more. I feel it more. The flavors are, it's on the sweet side. You get the caramel and maybe like a butterscotchy type flavor. Yep, I think that's butterscotch I'm tasting, but that's very good. Very smooth as well. But this guy is wowing me. I'm just gonna have another go at these, but this one is definitely the winner, whichever it is. Yeah, that flavor, that is just that's really good. It's just that dark fruit, chocolate, sweet. I don't want to say chocolate, but it's just like a sweet, dark kind of fruit. It's like if you took, deep cherries and put sugar on them, and you've got that also that sweetness of kind of, I don't want to say it's not chocolate. That maybe it is. Maybe it's a kind of a chocolatey type of flavor, but it's just that it's just very rich. If that's the way I can describe it, it's very rich, very well rounded. Yeah, that's really good. All right, enough. My mind is made up. This one is the winner, and it is. These are so hard to see. So this one is number 2, and number 2 is Knob. I'm shocked. This is number 1. Very, very good. So the winner is Taylor. That is this one. And I'm shocked. I mean, this is they're both very good. Don't get me wrong. But I thought this one would win. I totally thought it would win. So anyway, there you go. Yeah, it's just a deeper, I don't know, just a deeper, more well-rounded flavor. That's what I get. This one is also very good, but this one is better. So there you go. All right, guys, there you go. Taylor wins. $45 bottle typically retail, but it's actually going for more. That's my vote over the Knob. So there you go.